Hi guys, let us solve this problem together. It says when Philip travels at 10 meters per second, it takes 20 seconds more than his usual time to cover a distance of 1.2 kilometers. What was his usual speed? These are the options available to choose from. So we are told that when Philip travels at this speed, it takes a certain time to cover a distance of 1.2 kilometers. Let us find that time. Recall that in physics, speed equals to distance all over time, where x is distance, t is time, and v is speed. If we want to find time and make it subject of the formula, it means we can swap t and v so that the time will be equal to s all over v. So we are trying to find the time at a speed of 10 meters per second because Philip travels at 10 meters per second. So at the speed of 10 meters per second, the time will be equal to the distance all over speed if we swap t and v. Putting in the values, we know from the question that the distance is 1.2 kilometers. So s being distance is 1,200. Why 1,200? It is simply because 1.2 kilometers, when converted to the correct SI unit of distance, is 1,200 meters because the unit of distance is meters. So if you multiply this by 1,000, you would have converted it from kilometers to meter. And that is why we have 1,200 meters as the distance divided by 10, the speed we are considering. And if you do this simple division, you're going to get 120 seconds. That is the time it takes Philip to travel a distance of 1.2 kilometers at a speed of 10 meters per second. However, the question says that this time, the time it takes is 20 seconds more than his usual time. So it means his usual time, Philip's usual time, will be 20 seconds less than 120. So 120 minus 20 equals to 100 seconds because the time it took him to travel at 10 meters per second is 20 seconds more. So if it takes 120 seconds, it means his usual time will be 100. Now we can use this time to calculate the usual speed of Peter. Of course, we know that of Philip's. Of course, we know that Philip's usual speed will be given as distance all over time as per this formula. Let's put values. The distance remains constant, 1,200 meters, and the time, usual time, is 100 seconds. So the usual speed will become 1,200 divided by 100, and that will give us 12 meters per second. So the answer to the question is option A. You can see that it's very simple and straightforward, and you enjoyed it. If it is simple and you enjoyed it and you understood it as well, then here is a simple one for you to do. How many minutes does it take to travel a distance of 1,500 meters at a speed of 5 meters per second? Feel free to put your answer in the comment section and I'll be there waiting for you. Once again, thank you for watching my videos and see you in my next video.